First, I will welcome you to the AgriLearner app platform.
Okay.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Grishma Jaisinen. I have studied from College of Horticulture, Velanikara, Kerala. Now I am working in Bank of Baroda from 2019.
When you have started your preparation of IBPS AFO?
I have started my preparation from 2016 while I was in 4th year.
How you have started your preparation of pre and what challenges you have faced during that preparation?
Actually, I was very weak in quantitative. So I had to put extra effort in improving my mathematics skills. So I went for bank coaching. It also helped in my improving qualitative aptitude test also. Um, then after that I took online exams. A lot of exams I have taken. Weekly test I was taking. Then also for improving English, I used to read Hindu newspaper a lot.
How much time it takes to prepare for pre?
Pre actually, it depends on each one of us personally. For me, this maths was very tough, so I had to put extra efforts. Like even if I was getting half an hour, I could do only 10 questions or 15 questions at most. But I used to make sure that I would never get negative in that part. We have to identify our negative part so that we don't make mistake in that. So if I make attempting 10 questions, it will be 10 marks. Like that I was sure. Then completing our overall cutoff, we had to do like more qualitative aptitude section and also English, that for overall cutoff. Like that I used to maintain that mark.
When you have think about AFO that I should go and crack this exam?
Actually, I wanted to get into job. During 4th year itself, I felt like I need a job at most. So and also it was at that time my seniors used to say it was the most easy exam to crack, like that. But by the time I entered that exam, everything has changed. Exam patterns changed. Every year it's changing. It's last year's exam is completely different from this year's exam.
Means full whole process for pre and mains, how much time it takes for you?
Actually, it takes at least 6 months. At least 6 months, in the sense we don't know anything about agriculture. We have to make that base. General agriculture books, we have to put that. If we are having that base, it's okay. We can even 1 month, 2 months will be enough for us. Means we just have to brush up our general agriculture. Just a small note will be enough, and also current affairs. Just that will be enough for cracking that exam. But if we are not having that basic knowledge, we have to put a lot of effort. Otherwise, like small a question will come, a small difference will be there in that options. We will get confused, so it will lead to negatives. So for that we have to be prepared in our basics.
Any tips for the student who are preparing for IBPS AFO especially pre?
The main thing is that we should know our weakness. Like I said, my weakness was maths, so I attempted 10 questions, like 10 or 15, like and whatever I attempted, it won't be negative. Even if we are taking 30 hours or 1 hour, if we know only 10 questions, we should be satisfied, so that we don't we should not get tense. If 10 questions we are attempting, we should be confident. That's the only thing. Then read newspapers, because English and all, it will come naturally. We have to read newspaper, read. Okay, if you want, we are interested in movies, watch movies with subtitles. It will also do like that. Then for qualitative, we should actually at least go to bank coaching, or even YouTube videos will do, because lot of YouTubers are there who are giving us help, so we can even use that help.
How you have prepared for mains examination? That is most important.
Mains exam, actually I tried for 2 years. First year I was in reserve list, but I didn't get through it. And second year, competitive book for agriculture by Neemraj Sundar, I think. I was using that book. Or any book we can use, but I was well versed in my basic by that time. And actually, means after 1 year, 2 years, I actually wrote this exam 3 times, and after 2 years, actually, I have given up trying like that. But still, I studied that hard that I know the basics. Then as I said, my prelims I got through. Learners note actually really helped me. Like I have given up that, and I have told you many times, because I am really deeply, sincerely, I am having that gratitude towards your platform, because I was too lazy by that time that I didn't want to prepare. But you were giving that notes, it's like spoon feeding. Short notes. When it's short notes, we get 1 page, 2 page. We'll just go through that. Like that. Actually, after passing that preliminary exam, I just read Agri Learner's notes. About that, I have not prepared anything at all.
When 2 times you have failed, means you not get success, what mental challenge that you face?
It will be very depressing in the sense we will be giving our utmost effort and we will never get through, and we will feel like giving up. Definitely we will feel like giving up, and others will try to maybe they may be sincerely telling us God will take us there, like that. They will be telling, we know they care for us, but we feel like we are losers. No matter what others say, we will still feel the same. But we just have to like pull ourselves up. No matter what others say, there will definitely be a situation. Only we can help ourselves. The point you have given up, just the step before, after one step after that, you could have reached that success. Actually, we should never give up. I actually have 100% decided that if I didn't get this exam, I will never try. Like that, I have reached that point, but there are many options. Like I have told you, 2 years I have prepared and it was not fruitful. I have told you, but even now when I think back, these 2 years of failures, during that time I have prepared my basic agriculture knowledge. Because of that only I could have I use learners notes. I knew that basics from 2 years of preparation also. Then prepare these 2 years of that I told now that pre-exam, preliminary exam basics also, these 2 years I have prepared. That's only I have got through it the third time. Actually, we may think it's the end, but it's not the end.
Now you are in bank, you are AFO. What you are future planning to do?
Actually, I want to try for NABARD exams also. That's the only, if I'm changing from this profession, it will be for NABARD only.
Okay.
Banking is actually many of we will know from our seniors that it's a hectic job, but it provides us a job security and a social status. Like we will be someone in the society during banking. It will be definitely there are many obstacles. It will be we will feel like giving up, but then actually sometimes when I see your notes, your message, that status message, group messages, sometimes then when I and then I come home and think, oh, there are people trying like this for the position I am in right now. Then why should I give up? Like that I used to feel so many days.
But means after the selection, what was your family reaction?
Family, oh, it's very happy in the sense they didn't expect like 3 years I have tried, and definitely they are happy. And it's actually we are assistant managers in bank. We are some officer. We are in socially also. It's a very we are someone. It's this job is actually whatever we this efforts we are putting, this sleepless nights, this tired days, actually it's worth it. It's really worth it. Even to means those who are in banking profession will tell you should not come to banking, but would have never seen someone in banking give up this profession and sit idly, because at the end of the month you will feel that you are in a secure job. That's no one will give up, but they will tell like that. We should know our weakness, we should prepare for that, we should give extra efforts for that. Then also we have to know our strength so that we can give maximum tries in our strength, less tries in our strength, so that we can pass each cutoffs, and also overall cutoff also. Then we should prepare for that general agriculture. We should learn all general agriculture, and also this current affairs. You can blindly trust AgriLearners app. I really would say you can blindly trust that. You don't have to search anywhere. They are sometimes I used to even think how you are finding all this. Like means I have never found all this data anywhere. How you are finding all this? I actually wonder like that.
Join agriguru.in for the best preparations for IBPS AF.
Okay, thank you for giving your time.